guys, welcome back to Arts with Malavya. So guys, let's see if we can make an instant birthday cake in the microwave for about just within 5 to 10 minutes. So hey guys, so let's start. Add 1/4 cup of maida or all-purpose flour. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it together. Now we're gonna mix it and separate this dry ingredients into 2 bowls. And once you do it, we're gonna add strawberry essence to one to make a strawberry cake. You can add vanilla if you want vanilla. And to the other one, we're adding 1 teaspoon cocoa powder. Don't add too much. It's gonna be very, dark chocolatey cake. Mix it well. And mix it properly. So now we are going to add 1 tablespoon of oil to each batter mix and add 2 tablespoons of milk. You can add any milk, almond milk, but I'm using normal milk here. 2 tablespoon milk to each. Mix it well. The chocolate butter is a bit thick. We're gonna mix the strawberry batter as well. This is very, liquidy, so we're gonna add 1 more tablespoon of milk to the chocolate mix because it's very thick. I don't think this is the consistency, and we got it. Yes. Now we're gonna grease the mug because we want to get the cake out. It's not a mug cake, right? It's just a normal cake batter. I'm gonna pour half of the mix and bake it in the oven. Let's see if it works. I'm baking it for 1 minute. And let's get this out. Let's see what's it happening. Ooh, it's baked properly. We'll just flip it up and just tap it down with a napkin. It's so hot, guys. And that's our cake. That looks delicious and it's perfect in shape. And when we poke our fork inside, it's clean and whoa, it's so spongy. Now we're gonna bake all the cakes, and this is a strawberry cake. All the cakes are mixed, and the last one I made it in a marble texture because the strawberry cake was having less batter. I divided wrong and it tastes good, guys. The cake's recipe worked, and now I'm gonna frost it. I don't have some frosting since this is an instant cake. What I'm doing with what I have, applying some hazelnut spread on top. You can use Nutella, but I don't have Nutella right now. Hazelnut cream and just spread it over like frosting. Since this is an instant cake, I don't have anything home. I'm just doing with whatever I have, and this is almost like a challenge. Oh, it's sticking off. Spread it evenly. Putting the second cake on, and we are done. I just put some Hershey's and bananas. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.